Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a call using RPC in Ubuntu by edit to numbers. Okay, first of all, we need to first check whether we install the RPC or not by type sudo install RPC pin. Okay, then you need to check whether it is installed or not. But I already installed, so how to check? You type RPC info. There you go. Okay, as you can see the program, the version, the net ID, address, service, and the owner. So this is how the RPC works. First of all, we need to create a folder named RPC. Okay, new folder, RPC. Sorry, rename RPC. Okay, next we have the RPC file. Then we need to open the folder and create an text file to make a function. Okay, now here's a function. We need to extract inputs to show what inputs we need, which is integer A and integer B to declare two numbers. And then we need to add program and equal to 0 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 11, and to need to create a version and integer add inputs equal to 1 to create an integer output. Then save as add dot h add dot x in RPC folder and then save. So we have add.x. After we create a text file add.x, and then we go to terminal, and then we need to check create that directory, into directory that we created. And then we into directory, then we need to what we call generate a folder. We need to type rpcgen and A, which is to create all file, and capital C for create entity file. Then get into the directory, which is that direct with the text file, which is add.x. Then as you can see, it's created all this file in the RPC directory. And then after we creating all these files, we need to check a makefile.add by adding more file. So we need to type make file and make file dot add. Okay, as you can see, more edit file are created. So now we need to check whether the server and the client is working or not. We need to type sudo add server, and it needs a password. Okay, this may take a while, so we need to make new terminal to check for client, and okay, change into directory first, and then we check the client by typing the same, and we need to focus more, and then we use localhost. It needs a password. So yeah, it's working. So now, okay, for now we already showed that the client and the server is now working. So for the next step is, okay, for the next step we need to create a function to make how the server and client is connecting each other, and we need to go to the add server as well, and we need to insert server code here. So I'm going to type first, and I'm going to explain it. So here I already put the function, which is printf and add the syntax t, and it's called argument parameter a and argument parameter b, which is we as stated here. So, and we put the result equal to argp, which is argument a plus argument parameter b. So it will return and result to the caller. So we need to save this, and we go to the client function. So client function, we need to go with this file. Yes. And then we need to change a little bit of the function in here. Okay, so here I already change the function, and I will tell you which part. And here the first thing is this main integer argument count and character argv. So this one is if argc is less than 2, so they can print the usage of server host is number. But so as you can see, before this it only contain only a host, and I need to exit. We need to make argv2 and argv3, but we use a toy, which is if we print out it come up with a string, but a toy can change it from string to into integer. See, so since we have this, so the next one is I put these two parameter, which is integer x and another integer y. So as you can see, after that, now I'm going to add the other one. The thing I added is we made add underscore 1 underscore argument dot a equal to x, and make another one, add underscore 1 underscore argument dot b equal to y, which is structured by two parameter for automatic to add here, and it can, if not, can get into now. So if it is fine, if there is nothing wrong, I'm going to print out at make else and print result percentage d, which indicates the result, and print out result underscore 1, which is already declared specific here. integer result 1. So now it is ready, so we are going to check how it works now. Okay, since I changed a function, so I need to recombine again all the file by make file again, make file, so make file dot add again, we need to recompile, and now we can check the connection between the server and a client. Now we can check again, okay, by typing sudo add server, then we need to open a new terminal for a client, same, client, sorry, host. We check, we need a password. Wait. So if that is wrong, it says command not found. So I'm going to check. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not into the directory. So we need to get into the directory first. And type again. Then done. So now we can add the numbers from the client. Okay, we need to put a numbers, which is example is after localhost we put 10 and 20. So as you can see at the server it says add 10 20 is called. So the outcome result is 30. So we can make it again. We add another numbers, which is 30 and 40. And here again we can see at the server it says add 30 40 is called, and the result is 70. So that is how it done. So thank you for watching.